Hi all, welcome to Knowledge Share SS. We have started number system from CBSE class 9 and we are going to complete the whole syllabus within a very short time. So please be serious regarding your mathematics and inform your classmate also regarding this course. So we have started number system and we have completed few lectures. So the students who are new in this class, I would like to request them please visit those classes, otherwise you will not be able to relate what I am going to discuss today. So today we are going to do the exercise of 1.5. Exercise 1.5 you can see in the screen. So the first question is classify the numbers mean rational or irrational. So the first question is 2 minus root 5. So is this number rational or irrational? So I have clarified everything, the definition of rational number, irrational number. So let me repeat it again. So rational number means we can write a number in the form of p by q, where p and q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. So this was the definition of rational number. And if you talk about the definition of irrational number, a number which is non-terminating means non-terminating and non-recurring means non-repeating, so that number is called irrational number. Okay, so please watch the previous videos. I have cleared and in detail with detailed explanation. Okay, so the question is this number rational or irrational? So let me clear one thing. Can we call root 2 means what is root 2 is rational or irrational? So definitely it is irrational. And how? I am telling you. So in the definition it is clearly mentioned that the number which can be written in the form of p by q, and p and q are integers, but here you can see root 2 is not integer. Okay, because 2 is not a perfect square number of any number, of any integer. Okay, but we can but 4 is a perfect square number, right? So 2 square will get 4. So that in that way root 2 is irrational. We cannot write root 2 in the form of p by q. Okay, so this is irrational. Now second one, 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. So if we solve this problem, root 23 minus root 23, same thing can be eliminated with opposite sign. Same number can be eliminated with opposite sign. Here root 23, so plus sign, and here minus sign. So we got 3. 3 is an integer and 3 can be written in the form of p by q, like 3 by 1, where q not equal to 0 means q equal to 1 here. Okay, the fourth one. Okay, let me clear. The fourth one, that is 1 by root 2. Okay, we have already discussed. So we have to multiply 1 by root 2 into root 2, both numerator and denominator. So we'll get 2 root 2 by 2. Okay, so this is also irrational. Now the second problem, simplify the below expression. So the first one is 3 plus root 3 and 2 plus root 2. So if means the number is not same in both the brackets, so what we'll do, we'll just simply multiply. So 3 to 6 plus 3 root 2. Okay, so we cannot take this 3 into inside root, inside square root. Okay, plus 2 root 3 plus root 6. We can write these two number root 3 dot root 2 as root 6. Okay, as root a dot root b equal to root ab. Okay, so 6 plus here okay, I think this is the simplified form. We cannot do anything as all the numbers are different from each other. Okay, now second one, 3 plus root 3, 3 minus root 3. So you can see this will be direct formula. So a square minus b square, if we apply, so we will get 3 square minus root 3 square, so 9 minus 3, so 6 will be the answer. Okay, now the third one, root 5 plus root 2 square. So just apply the formula of a plus b whole square to ab. Okay, so we'll apply this formula, root 5 square plus root 2 square plus 2 root 5 dot root 2. So root 5 square equal to 5 plus 2 from here plus 2 root a root b, so root ab 10. So 7 plus 2 root 10 is the answer. Okay, okay, in the question number 3. Okay, so pi, what is the definition of pi? Circumference of circle by diameter of circle. So if this is a circle, so if the circumference is c and diameter is d, so pi will be c by d. So why I am discussing this part, that from the definition of pi you can say that we can pi can be written in the form of p by q, right? C by d, where q not equal to 0. So pi should be a rational number, as we have written in the form of c by d. But let me clear this part. Actually pi is irrational, as the actual value is first of all non-terminating and non-recurring. And also you have to remember that when we measure a length, which is written in your NCERT book, that when we measure a length with a scale or any other device, you only get an approximate rational value. Okay, suppose we are talking about, suppose this is the length of 5 centimeter and we have measured with by use a scale. So this is an approximate measure. Okay, approximate rational value here. Okay, so C and D both will be approximate, so that's why either C means, so you may not realize that either C or D is irrational, so that's why pi is irrational. So I have given you two justification. First one is non-terminating. If you do this calculation, non-terminating and non-recurring, so that's why pi is irrational, and also we are measuring these two values by the use of a scale. Okay, so that's why you will get an approximate measurement, so that's why C or D may be irrational. Okay, so these are the justification why pi is irrational. Exercise 4. Repeat root over 9.3 on the number line. Okay, so this is your homework. If you have any issue, I will discuss later. Okay, now question number 5. Rationalize the denominators of the following. So first one, 1 by root 7. So I have told you that we have to multiply with the same number in the denominator and numerator. Okay, so root 7 and root 7 dot root 7, so we'll get 7 by root 7 by 7. Okay, and the second one, 1 by root 7 minus root 6. So I told you our intention will be to get the formula of a plus b and a minus b. Okay, so we have to multiply this part with opposite sign. Root 7 plus root 6, root 7 minus root 6, and root 7 plus root 6. Okay, so root 7 plus root 6, and if we apply this formula, we will get a square minus b square. So root 7 square minus root 6 square. So what will be the value of this? So root 7 square will be 7 and root 6 square will be 6, so 1. Okay, so what is the answer? Root 7 plus root 6 in the numerator and 1 in the denominator. Okay, so this is the answer, root 7 plus root 6. Okay, this is question 3 subsection under 5. So 1 by root 5 plus root 2. So this is your homework. Okay, and question number 4, 1 by root 7 minus 2. Okay, just do the same thing. Root 7 minus 2, root 7 plus 2, root 7 plus 2. Okay, so when I am writing or you are able to see the question in the screen, so at that time please pause the video and try to solve the question by yourself. If after solving the question or maybe you will not be able to solve the question, so then progress the video. Okay, that will help you to grow your creativity and solving power. Okay, so root 7 plus 2, and here we will get 7 minus 2. Okay, so root 7 plus 2 and 5. Okay, yes, so 7, yeah. Okay, so this is the exercises from 1.5, and that's it for today. Please like, share and subscribe. Inform your friends regarding this course. If you have any doubt, please mention in the comment section. Work hard, practice mathematics every day. Don't worry, I will be the responsible person to solve all your problems. Please mention in the comment section. I am telling you again and again. Thank you so much.